Home security cameras are everywhere these days, but this one promises something extra. Built-in police-style flashing lights, full 4K video, and 0 monthly fees. This is the Swann Enforcer 4K, and after spending a few weeks with it installed on my house, I discovered a couple of things the ads never mention. Is it worth the hype or just hype? Let's dig in. Swann Enforcer 4K. Product Overview. So, what exactly are we dealing with? The Swann Enforcer 4K is a wired home security camera system, sometimes sold as Pro Enforcer in higher-end bundles made by Swann, a brand known in the DIY security space. The version I tested came with multiple bullet cameras and a DVR/NVR hub with local storage. Swann has been offering these systems for a few years now, and the Enforcer line is their premium, deterrent-focused offering. Think of it as a camera system that not only watches, but actively tries to scare away intruders. It's aimed at homeowners or small business owners who want pro-style features without recurring subscription fees and who don't mind doing or paying for a solid wiring and installation job. The pitch? 4K Ultra HD imagery, heat plus motion detection, color night mode, strobes and sirens, local storage, all wrapped into one kit. Swann Enforcer 4K. Performance. Specs are nice on paper, but let's talk about what it's like day to day. Once wired up and configured, the video quality is impressive. I tested in good lighting, dusk, and low light settings. In daytime, you get crisp detail, faces, license plates, fine textures. It held up well when zooming in for closer inspection. The benefit? If someone's creeping around your property, you're more likely to actually see who it was. At night, though, it's a mixed bag. With ambient lighting, street lamp or porch lighting, the night to day or color night mode yields vivid color, and I was pleasantly surprised by how usable some of that footage was. Swann claims up to approximately 32 feet in color mode before dropping to IR monochrome, but when things get darker, it switches to classic black and white IR, which is fine, but doesn't wow you. Features and tech highlights. Let's spotlight what sets the Swann Enforcer 4K apart and what you should care about. Flashing lights and siren or deterrents. This is the Enforcer part. When motion and heat is detected, the camera can activate red and blue flashing lights and a loud siren or spotlight. That's useful because it gives you a proactive defense, get intruders to think twice rather than just capture footage. Color night vision or night to day. Many cameras fall back to IR only at night. Swann's night to day tries to preserve color in low light as long as possible. In practice, it worked when there was some ambient light, e.g. street lamps or porch lighting. Past the point, it reverts to monochrome IR. Local storage and no subscription fees. The system comes with a hard drive, 1 terabyte in many kits, built into the NVR, so you record continuously without paying monthly cloud fees. You can back up snapshots to Dropbox for a couple of cameras, but full video cloud backup is not fully supported. Smart detection or analytics. You can tweak detection zones, enable face, person, or vehicle detection depending on model, or set line crossing alerts. The goal is fewer false alerts and better signal to noise. That said, it's not as refined as cloud AI systems like Nest or Arlo. You'll still need to tune it. Design and build. The camera units are bullet style, built in solid plastic or mixed metal and plastic with weather-sealed housings. They feel robust enough for outdoor deployment, though I'd suggest wincing a bit over long-term UV exposure. Mounting hardware is included and the adjustability is typical. Tilt and swivel arms, screws, etc. The hub, NVR/DVR, is compact and understated. No massive rack unit, just a small box you stash in your media or utility closet. Inside, the hard drive is accessible, and there are ports for HDMI, to monitor, Ethernet, USB, etc. Pros. Excellent image clarity, especially in daytime and with some ambient light. Built-in deterrents, flashing lights and siren, adds a proactive security layer. No subscription fees, local storage is included. PoE wiring reduces cable mess. Flexible smart detection, citizen-level personalization. Cons. Night performance in total darkness is just average. Wiring and install effort is non-trivial for DIYers. Occasional missed triggers or delays in alerts. Cloud video backup limited and somewhat clunky. Final verdict? So, is the Swann Enforcer 4K worth it? I'd say yes, but with caveats. If you're someone who wants serious coverage without subscription costs, and you're okay wiring in a system, this offers a compelling package. For many homeowners, the flashing deterrents alone are a differentiator. Rather than passively recording, you'll potentially ward off mischief in real time. If you live somewhere extremely dark, or expect to rely on pure IR in no-light zones, you might see diminished returns. And if you prefer install it in 5-minute wireless setups, this might feel heavy.